Hello, my name is Janaisi and I am 24 years old. In my free time, I study industrial engineering. I live in Barranca Bermeja with my daughter. I share my last vacation with my family. Uh, my recipe to get started in a pot. Place the chicken, white potatoes, salt and pepper, later add the water and oil, then reduce heat to medium and cook for 30 to 35 minutes. Add the chicken, cooked potatoes and place in a dotted plate. In the meantime, less than 14 minutes. After that, shred the chicken and cilantro, onions, cook white potatoes, sausages, milk, cream and mayonnaise, mixing it all up in a container. Serve the potatoes.